Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Today, we're going to talk about all the different cryptos. We're going to talk about all the different stuff happening in the market. It's the weekend talk. These meme coins are taking over, guys. A lot of them are jumping in and becoming massively bullish. It is great. A great way to make money, but you just got to be careful in this market. Good morning, guys. Crypto news and much, much more. Today we're going to talk about all the So I'll make sure that I'm in here with you guys rocking out, and I can show you other stuff here. Let me get out of this platform. We're going to hop into CoinMarketCap, and we're going to hop into all the rest. Let me just go ahead and make my... get these tweets out, get these streams going. Let me get these official tweet onto Twitter, and I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to do this. I just take this and we go to our crypto, we go share, and we go Twitter, and then we're going to just pop that on Twitter real quick for everybody, and then I'm going to drop it into the groups where the guys want to be live with us, you know. So we're going to have a fun time here today at Jay's. We're going to see what we can find. We're going to scour the markets and look at all these different memes, and, you know, we're going to get your opinion. I want to hear what you guys have to say about some of this stuff. And, yeah, man, we will be set here. So let me just drop that. Yeah, let me just drop that tweet so that way that falls in. And then I'm going to take this link and drop it to, some of the Telegram groups that I'm involved in, and we can rock out. Here we go. Let me go. We're going to do a bunch of shout outs today. So we're going to do shout outs today. Okay, let me tell my people. I am on live stream now. Crypto talk. Come join me. We'll have many meme shout outs. Piggy, chart, show, and CMC. Join and comment for the meme you love. Got it. Okay. Comment for the meme that you love. So I am boosting that right there. I'm gonna drop it here like this. This is the live. Let me actually edit live stream. Come join me, and then I'll just put that in there so that way that can show up. And yep, there we are. Come join me. Yep, live stream. Okay, so I'm just posting this onto. I'll actually show you what I'm doing, guys, so you guys know how all the social media stuff works. So let me just show you. So I posted that. Let me just copy that selected text, and let me go here and let me paste this, and shout outs, and then be shout outs, and then this is for shout out. Okay. Comment in chat and go bullish. Yeah. And then here, I'm gonna drop it for these guys too. Okay, so I dropped it for those guys, and we are rocking. Okay. Yeah, everybody loves the voice messages. I love you guys too. I'm going to do as many as I can, as much as I can, and we're going to rock out with that. That's definitely a bullish way. I got my buddies over here. Let's see, are they in with us? Yeah, smash them. Hey, man, hey. Alright, hey guys, let's go ahead and see over any of our other brothers that we got over here joining. They can actually go back to here. Yep. And everybody that's listening on to the podcast streams and stuff, Crypto Talk, you know, you guys, I hope you're having an excellent weekend, and I hope everything's rocking out. And everybody that's live onto Telegram, I hope you guys are having a rocking weekend and everything is working out well for you guys. Okay, we can start off with our original crypto charts, and that's where we'll start. Yep. Yeah, yeah, man. I see you guys coming in, tagging the memes, and yep, I will definitely take that to into consideration, and I'm going to talk about a whole bunch of different stuff here. So let me drop that for the community on that's just for Twitter, and those guys got it. Those guys got it. You guys got it. Twitter team listening in. Twitter team's listening in. You guys got it as far as tagging the Crypto Talk. Okay. Yep. And this would be Crypto Talk, and then tag this tweet shoutouts. Okay. So shout outs, MIKU, I'm looking in the chat. Yeah, we're going to go over that. We're going to hit Velociraptor. We're going to oink oink Piggy Inu. And we're going to talk about War Tribes. There's some really top memes out there, some really bullish project guys. And I know you guys love when I come into the room and I talk and I say, to the moon. And this is just for you guys. This is for you guys. And we are doing this, and we're going to talk some crypto. So for now, let's go ahead and pull that on over there, and let's get the stream rocking. Let's start a knocking. So you can see that Bitcoin has came above this. So we were riding the 50. So we talked about when we pulled away from the 50 until we were going to start testing and then retest the 50 to the continuation to the upside. So just to show you guys, we talked about when right here we broke below the 50, we said we need to find and wait for that next break above the 50, get that retest, continue to the upside. And look at that, it's retesting again, and now the 200 has gone flat. So that is actually, for me, I want to see a nice move to the upside for Bitcoin. So if there is, you know, it's the weekend, Bitcoin's always open. Banks are closed, but Bitcoin's always open. You know, and that's what we're seeing. You can see the S&P, how it closed very bullish. There was some news, even though inflation is at 9.9% basically, you can see the inflation rates are up there. So don't forget to go back into our other videos, and we do a bunch of different stuff here. And yield farming, Babyswap, one of the top projects that I earn some passive income for yield farming. We have some NFT gaming. There's some definitely bullish stuff coming in the future for this game. This game has been completely programmed. It is out. And then we did shout outs for a lot of the other top tokens, and we did a really nice shout out too for Piggy Inu. Piggy Inu, man, they just been rocking. They've been strong, and you know, you can come over here and you can smash that tweet. And you are gonna do definitely updates. Smash that like.
Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the.
We went through their website. They have everything in place. They got their Telegram chat right here, and that's what I'm in right now. Piggy Inu buying, and you know, we're just diamond hands straight to the moon, guys. We're gonna talk about all of this. Since Binance is linked to most of our projects, I want to talk about BNB with you guys. I'm using the hybrid system. This is what I use to evaluate crypto. Okay, so you can see when I was talking about BNB, when we were up here at 241 and we broke below, I was like, okay, good, this is time to DCA each low. Okay, so you see how it kept moving level down until we started to retest it. So I DCA'd on the way down, and then I saw that we retested this 50, and I always watch the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and then the daily, and then for a long time, monthly. But the more that you follow me and the more that you hit like and hit the bell, you'll get the updates as I do this for you guys, because you guys can use my link, and my link will be below in the description, and I'm also going to pin it, and you can use my link and you can get a $4,100 bonus at phemex for trading, and I use that to trade. I send Binance there, and I trade it to USD, and I use it to trade and accumulate, and then I use Ledger as a hard wallet. Definitely recommend you guys using a Ledger. Weekend crypto wrap up with Jay's strategies. Saturday, July 16th, CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap at 932 billion. We're hitting close to that trillion. So there's money flowing into the market. Bitcoin at $20,778, and it's pretty much riding flat because it's a 0.03 up. Ethereum at $1,230, up 1.36%. US Tether has a $65 billion market cap. USD coin at $1 with a $54 billion market cap. BNB Binance, 237.16, up to the upside. $38 billion market cap. I love BNB. I'm bullish on BNB. Look at this. Binance USD is in the 6th spot because it now has $17 billion of assets in it. XRP, I am an XRP holder. I'm bullish on XRP. XRP just hit that 34 cents. We're actually going to hop into XRP's chart when we hop back over to the charts. It's up 0.4%. So pretty much the market's flat, and that's when I was just showing you that, look, the 200s and the 50s are hitting each other, and they're riding flat, you know? And when that happens, you know what I mean? You can, just chill and relax and use your tools in your mind to be able to carry on the good feelings and the positivity. You are strong, and I know you got this. Yes, I'm being very supportive to friends that are going through hard times. You guys got to hold your head up. Stay strong, guys. It is a crazy market out there. It is a crazy, you know, there's all kinds of stuff going on there. Here we go. We'll load your bags. Let's see. Join the live stream. Chill and raid. Let's fucking go. Okay. Join the live stream and comment. Okay, and then that's what I was just doing. Weekend crypto wrap up. Okay, let me just hop in here. I'm gonna say here is link. Join and read it. Okay, and then here we are. Rate it. Okay. Read comments with Biggie and okay, so yeah, we just wanted to do a bunch of different shout outs and go through the tokens. This is another new token that launched, and we're going to look at it. It's MIKU, but we were going down the line through our charts and XRP. I'm going to jump around a little bit because people love to you know, get different information, show you different visuals. We don't want to be bored. We want to bounce around. We want to find out what's going on. Mad love to all of you guys. So, Solano, look at that. At 37, Dogecoin at 6 cents, Cardano at 43, and that's just about where my portfolio hits. I do got a little bit of Shiba. I'm out of Tron, and I'm out of Polkadot at the moment, and I'm also thinking and waiting to see what I'm going to do about Polygon Matic. If I do make a move into that, I'm going to let you guys know because there's a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes, and you know me, I do a lot of research, and you know, we do a lot of stuff to be able to see what's happening next in the markets, so that's definitely what we want to see. So the Bitcoin chart. What I wanted to show you is the XRP. Now look at this. XRP is now at 34 cents at the 800 EMA. So the 50 is turning up and we're at the 800. What are we going to see here? Let's look at the 4 hour. We created a higher low on the 4 hour, and now we're going for it again, and we're testing the 200. So we're right in between here. I'm bullish on XRP, but XRP will either retest this and then break out more to the upside, bringing us to that 37 cent level above that M5 pivot zone. But you can always expect a possible pullback to retest to come into the 50 EMA at 32 and then retest the 32 even before it bounces up. So there's two different scenarios, but as you can see, the pattern that has been coming in is we fell below the 50, we came back above, we retested it, and then we continued back up to this 200. And as you can see, I've been putting it in the tweets. We've been testing this 200, testing this 200. So let's see what happens. Now that we tested it and now we're testing it again, this might be the time that we break above it with much more bullish conviction and high volume. Okay, shout out to some of those top YouTubers out there, man. James, you're awesome. Watch your videos every day. Crypto Moon, Crypto. You guys are the best. Crypto Jack. I don't know if I'm forgetting anybody, but my man James over here, don't forget to stop by his. Don't forget to stop by his feed, because he's got a lot of cool stuff to say about BNB and Bitcoin. So let's see. He did a short, quick video, and he talked about BNB and Bitcoin. So let's see.
That button joined 76,000 people. Smash for Bitcoin now.
Yep.
We're going
into
into
technicals, guys. So go ahead and hear this one out.
Going to the technicals. It's a Saturday, so stock market closed straight into Bitcoin on. This is the crypto market cap. We'll come back to that actually. Let's go into Bitcoin. It's pretty much even for the day. Again, I talked about this in the previous video. We've got this bear flag playing out here, but then it's still within this channel on the longer term time frame. We need it to pump towards 22,000 and break out. If it doesn't, if it does break down here, then we can expect that we drop to 17,000, possibly 12,000. But I think we're very close to the bottom. Again, I always keep saying this. The time to sell Bitcoin was all the way back here, up at 70,000. The time to be buying is down here, so not the time to be selling. It's about adding position to Bitcoin, but keep your money available that we could have a big liquidation, quick spike down to 12k. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Stochastic is heading up, which is bullish because it pulled back and then straight away heading up. Squeeze mob going green. On the daily, stochastic is heading down, so we're getting a bit of a pullback. 4 hourly, stochastic heading up. The hourly heading up, so we're going to get a recovery pump. On the weekly, we're very oversold here, so it's actually quite bullish. If we can get a movement up now, it'll be very good for Bitcoin. On the RSI, we have no divergence, it's just climbing, which is good as well. On the hourly, stochastic turning up, so it looks like we're going to get a pump out of here to the upside, and that's a good thing. We really need to get this movement, big movement here. If we can actually make this movement, it will be quite drastic, and it's stochastic is.
I wanted to just show you what he was talking about, and a lot of people talking about different moves. We've been in this long-term, downtrend, and we've been, in this, in this crazy move from Bitcoin. We just need to settle in and move.
Turning up, so it looks like we're going to get a pump out of here.
Move across the crypto market. So that's basically what we got going on. XRP chart, look at that, breaking above that 200 EMA. Let's go down to a smaller time frame, 30-minute, and let me see what's happening on this. So if we have, okay, so look at that. On the 30, we hit that 50, and we are flying. We can even maybe top off the Sydney session at 34.7, and 35 would be awesome, man. If we could hit a 35 on XRP, that would be great. I'm holding XRP. I see XRP coming back into the dollar range. I'm not saying anytime soon because we still have a lot of battle to fight through. But XRP has held a really bullish floor ever since the crypto market pulled down, and we ended up, after the Bitcoin crash, and we hit the 30-cent level. We traded this level pretty damn well, and there was a lot of opportunities actually to catch trades if you guys do trade. If you guys do trade and you're catching these levels that I'm talking about, and XRP, I would wait for a top, and then you could do a short, and you put your target take profit at the 50 EMA, and then you put your stop loss right above the high, about a half or 1% above the high, and then that's what I would do. So say we get hit the psychological high at the 34.80, I would put the the 35-cent as stop loss, and then my target would be back to the daily open, 33 cents, and that would be like a quick scalp short, you know, but that's just a scalp short. I'm talking on a really short time frame. Overall, we are definitely bullish because we're back on top of this 800 EMA on the 30 minute, which is going to bring us above the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. Okay, so this is what we're going to see. Yeah, so now we're going to be moving. We got some pretty good moving averages, 50, and then yeah, above the 200 and coming back above the 800. So it's a W formation, so it's definitely bullish the upside. Okay, BNB, Binance, okay? Binance, BNB. And we just talked about this. I love it, man. She respected these levels, okay? She came up, tested this moving average. So anytime that I see these moving average, now we are in the trio line. It's like something I see. That's when these moving averages build pressure, either to a big to the upside or a big to the downside. So what I want to see is I want to see a continuation of the 50 turning up and coming up above the 200, and then us coming back to the level here above the daily open, test this, retest, and then continue to the M5 pivot zone at 247. So bullish call for BNB is going to be 237. So what I would do is I never set a trade when we're above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour unless we are extended way above. So when we got extended way above the New York session, okay, I set a short from 241, to at the 50 EMA, which at that time was 235. And I talked about that on Twitter. I said BNB now at 235. Now, if you caught that 235, you could have caught that short scalp long, and I would have took profit right at that daily open. The next one I'm waiting for is for it to bounce above that daily open and come up to one of these zones, hopefully the M4 pivot zone, and then we can get a scalp trade on a pullback to the 50. And then that would be definitely something bullish there. And the Piggy Inu chart has been rocking. Let me go ahead and let me go in there, and then I'm gonna be talking Piggy live now on YouTube. Piggy is the best meme in town. Yes, I just wanted to show you guys the chart on this. I got some posts. You could hop on over to my Twitter, okay, and J Strategies, and you can see that we continuously drop different bullish projects that we follow and different projects we talk about, meme projects, and I also post for you the big dogs like Bitcoin, BNB, support your, meme coins. Today is July 16th, and then I posted for Piggy. You can see how it had built up pressure, and Piggy actually did break and created a now diagonal support, so it's waiting for some really good bullish action, and then on the smaller time frames. Then you can see the new other one that launched out of here, MIKU. Oh, so I'm hoping I was pronouncing that right. But yeah, their chart's been really bullish. A lot of action in there. No, excuse me, I'm just getting a call real quick. And then we can, I am live right now on YouTube. Can't take calls. Hey, man. Okay, hold on. Hey, man. What's up? Live on YouTube right now. Talking crypto. Okay. Yeah, we're just giving them, I don't know, I'm talking crypto. Let me just drop it for them. Let me just drop it for them. Okay. Whale watch. Load your bags. Load your bags. Whale watch. Load your bags. Okay, guys. So let's see. We're talking about that. Okay. So now BNB, that's what you're talking about, man. I really like seeing this at that daily open. All right. Let's go ahead onto Twitter, actually, and let's go and see what. I'm just going to go to my regular home since I have a lot of projects that I'm following and they're following me, and let's see what people are posting, like the most bullish and most bullish tags that you see, trending tags, you know. What cryptocurrency? There we go. Just be straight raiding right now. You copy, post, raid. Raid. You know? Raid. So I can show you guys exactly how I would do that. All right, I'm gonna show you guys, and then we're just gonna do some live raiding here, and then I'm gonna catch my yeah, I'll catch this, and then we're gonna keep doing continuous shilling. And this is Plug Pro. I saw a lot of people hitting up Plug, and that's good. I did shout outs, and I do you know, different stuff, and they have a strong community. Everybody seems to be tagging it. Oh yeah, Croge also. Alright. So, hell yeah. And then we're just gonna hop into a few more of these, and you know, we just catch, yeah, Plug Pro, Christopher, yeah. Okay. And then we just want to make sure that the projects that we talk about are safe too, you know. So I do research on every single project that I personally like to invest in. You know what I mean? Because you know you got to stay safe, and you're putting your money into it, and you want to know who you're you know, who you're dealing with, and then you just raid it. Velociraptor, and then we go like this, and then we go raid it. Okay, and then we go raid it. Okay. Yeah, guys, so just keep it going, you know, keep smashing it, keep liking it, keep getting what we got going on here, and we're gonna continue to do different streams all day. Basically, let me see, I'm gonna hop back on over to Twitter. We gotta get some action into our live stream, so let me go, and then let me get this live stream tweet going here. I gotta get it tweeted out better, so that way we can get more people into our show here. Alright, so we're just gonna smash those ones, and then we come back over here, and then we go back to this J's, and we're gonna hit these ones, and then I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm going to hit it with tags. I'm gonna copy it. Yep. And then there we go. And then now I can go to all these bullish, and I'm gonna drop our stream today, and I'm gonna show you guys basically, you know, I would go down the line and I would drop the stream. Let me just go ahead and see. Let me fix it up a bit. So that way we can fit and then that way we can fit everything on here. Okay, and then let's see what else can we. Let's just get rid of that one, -1, and then let's just go up one link like that. There we go, and then that's the one I'm going to use to show the vid. There we go. So let's go ahead and show our vid. We talked a lot about crypto, and we talked a lot about other stuff. We're going to look at some crypto news, so let me just spend a minute or two. Let's go ahead and drop this out there. You guys go ahead and chill and raid, and you know, it's just mad love to you guys. You know, it's awesome. You know, I have fun hanging out with you guys, and talking crypto. You guys are always, you know, you guys are always entertained, always good. You know, smash that like for me. Okay, let's go ahead and keep spreading the word. Let's go ahead and spread the word here. And then I'm going to share it like crazy afterwards. We talked about different projects. Let's see here. Can we hit this one? Let's see. Is it going to show? Okay, so it shows that those ones. Okay, so those tweets take a little bit longer. Alright. So that was cool, man. Alright, so crypto news. Let's go ahead and see what we have going on because we want to talk about important stuff. So obviously you guys know Celsius went bankrupt. How to identify and avoid a crypto pump and dump scheme. Okay? That's what you got to avoid, guys. You don't want to get pumped on and dumped on. Okay? You don't want to get into a project that is starting just for the initial pump and then they leave the project. Okay? Pump and dump is crypto orchestrated misleading investors, so stay safe out there. You know, come back to this channel if you have questions or anything like that. You can always ask when I'm live. You can always, you know, check. You can always hit me on Telegram. I do see the DMs, and mainly the best way would be to you know, communicate with me through Twitter. You can just like go to one of my posts and you know, hit me up. So just make sure you always stay safe out there. You know what I mean, guys? Okay. On the crypto market cap right now, let's see what we have trending. Let's go to trending. Of course, Celsius is trending because of the situation. So let's go ahead and see. Yep. Because it's Terra Luna, Celsius, Matic, Seek. I ended up getting into Seek when it first started at a farm on like Babyswap and PancakeSwap, and made some money off farming it, and then I did get out of it. But they had, in the past 30 days, they had a pretty big run up. So kudos to them. Shiba Inu, all right, 5.8 billion. They're gonna probably hit back over to that 6 billion, but supposedly there's a lot of news in the works for Shiba. We'll have to see about that, but as I said, I'm not too much of a holder anymore on that. Solano, though, I do still hold my bag of Solano that I've been holding on to. You know, let's see what more. Okay, people estimate it, and then Solano. Fixing Knox now could be your data ticket. And then, guys, you also remember the Mt. Gox tokens being released. Look, Mt. Gox, BC. B-R-E. Mt. Gox tokens are being released. So $3 billion. So just imagine they release that and say 3 billion sells off on the market, which that's not going to happen because it's going to be released to some people that are holders or don't know, or you know, had staking or different products, you know. But we're just talking numbers, you know, feasibly. So there's 137,000 Bitcoin worth 2.8 billion soon to be released into the market as funds lost to the Mt. Gox 2011. Okay. So that's definitely something that you guys need to you know, pay attention to. And actually, I'll actually post a tweet here. Oh, let me see if I can let me just see if I can just make this smaller. Take out a sentence. Yeah. And then it says litigation now. Okay. And then is there anything else that I can, let me see. I just want to make this Bitcoin. If I do it, BTC, yeah. Locked in litigation. Alright, so then we'll just do it like that. Just to drop that news out there so you guys know. So, you know, that could, the pressure sell-off that we had from the crypto going down and after the USDT stuff happening, you know, that was from USDT when they pulled back, and Bitcoin went from that 30K to that 20K. You know, so that's why people are saying, hey, Bitcoin can go from 10, you know, from back down to 10K. So, you know, anything's possible in the markets, okay? Right now, there's a lot of bullish sentiment. Bitcoin's being used all over, and more people are using it as a hedge against inflation, for payment processing, for transfer of wealth, you know, for investments. There's all these. You guys probably even see commercials nowadays sitting out there, you know, and people, you know, doing that. So, yeah. And, yeah, people definitely make profits off meme coins, like you see now. Good opportunity right there for a buy-in. After some people made some money. Let's see, this person made $4,500. They sold. There must have been a whale, but let's go ahead and see this. So they sold out. They made $4,500. Let's see what they. You can always go ahead and check everything. Everything's transparent. So let's see what they made. So let's see. Stake, distribute, transfer, swap. Okay. 6 minutes ago. All right. And then we go like this. And then we go, okay. And then let's see what they did with their piggy Inu tokens. Would be, do they even have any left? Yeah, looks like they sold off all their piggy. Okay. So they swapped exact, and one whale gone. So he probably made money. I wonder when he brought it. I would have to look back, but yeah, that's the crypto. That's the name of the game. So this would be, you know, the time to, you know, grab right after a dip. Like, look at that, big buy comes in like that, you know, and then a sell in the other direction, and it's balanced. You know, it's balanced trading, guys. You know what I mean? It's crypto, you know. There's a bunch of different opportunities out there. Twitter is just jumping with, you know, different people that are posting opportunities. Raid your meme coins. There you go. Look, Velociraptor. And people are dropping all kinds of different stuff over here on Twitter. Promote it. Yeah. Okay. So, what do we got? Hold on. Let me go here and see if we got any important stuff coming through there. Yeah, very cool, very cool. Look at this. I love those memes when they drop them, man. They are amazing, these guys, man. They make some really cool memes, and you guys are definitely awesome with these gem tweets. Super appreciate it. All right, like we said, let's go ahead. A pump and dump scheme, educating others. Okay. Pump and dump crypto is an orchestrated fraud that involves misleading investors into purchasing artificially inflated tokens. Okay, so they're artificially inflated. So you'll see some of those groups that say, "Oh, pump with us now," and then, you know, some of those groups, they just do the pump, and they know how to use the crypto, you know, better than you. So what they do is they just increase their gas to high as possible, their slippage up to 49%, so their transactions will always go through, and they'll be front run, and then they know exactly when to buy the tops. So then they call this token, everybody pumps into it, and then they already had brought into the token, and then they'll pump it to the top and sell off, and then that's where that dip comes. So you see the group say, "Yay, we made 85x today," or, you know, "We made this or that." You know, always be careful, you know, always. That's what I gotta say about that. Just make sure that you're careful, and make sure that you, you know, watch what you're doing. So now is like, you know, the perfect time for people to, you know, you pick up some more of your tokens at the right opportunities. You know what I mean? And yep, I'm just taking a look at some stuff over here for some meme coin stuff, and we're gonna look on coin market cap and I'm going to see what coins recently have either had an issue and they are on the other side, see if there was failures, and let's see what's pumping. That's what I want to look, and I want to see what CMC is doing in that regard, you know? Okay, and then this would be... Alright, so yeah, on that, we hit that support band, you know, you can tell them. Okay, one less, yep, one less wallet. Alright, that would be, yeah, definitely perfect timing. Definitely perfect timing for some of these. Let me just see. How are you about to where? Oh, okay. And then, yeah, massive, massive love on the Peggy, the channel launched for Memecoins, Rising Floor from MKU. Yeah, so definitely a lot of bullish stuff happening on Twitter, guys. Hop on it. I'm gonna continue to make some good streams, and we're gonna continue to go to the moon together, guys. We're gonna go to the moon together. How does that sound? How does that sound? Take it to the moon. Yeah, I'm not gonna even mess around with it. I'll leave it as it is. Alright, and then I just can't wait for staking opportunities, and you know, like farming opportunities are some of the best things that you can do. Let me show you. Babyswap is one of the top ones that I've been using for a while now, pretty much since day one, and they have actually come so far. They have the V baby, but then the staking that I go into is the farms. The farms are freaking awesome, man. They work fast, smooth. You know, it's awesome. Get over it by using I'm not a baby. You'll be the next lucky baby. Accomplish the task and scratch your cards. Okay. And they have a lucky baby going on right now, and then the APRs you see here for Baby BNB, Baby UST, and then BNB UST. Some really nice rates here. You can also go to earn alt, and I think they have MZC. But then if you go to Vault, there's ones that you can earn here that are in Vault. So let me see what we got here. We got Vegas, Cario, and we got Stake. So those are the ones, and then these ones are finished ones, and they continuously add more. They continuously, you know, are adding different rates. These are some pretty high rates. Let's go check the Vegas token, and let's see what that's all about here. Vegas. Let's see if that's the Babyswap one. Yeah, this is the Babyswap one. Let's see kind of volume. It's like not too much volume. It looks like it has... Okay, so it had a nice big pump in the beginning. Maybe a little bit dumped for the private sale, and then a pump for the listing. And then it came back down to this level here. So it's pretty much at a bottom right now. So that's like, you know, that would be an area that if this project did drop some bullish news, it could be beneficial to them. I don't know too much about them. Make sure you always do your research on different projects that you would be getting into. Alright, you got your NFT clubs. The main ones that I like on the farms are the ones that are the Baby USDT and Baby BNB and V Baby, okay? Those are the top ones because they're the actual baby token. And if you look, you know, Baby has come down because of the bullish market, just like Cake and everything like that. But I'm going to show you Baby at 9 cents, okay? It actually pulled down a little bit right there. That's actually a buying opportunity to add on to Farm. So I might even think about adding on to my baby B&B farm, and you know, that's something that's definitely cool. That's in the 1 hour cards here, because of, you know, this kind of followed the way of the market. But yeah, that was definitely one of the better farms that I used. Um, the meme coins. Now, what I do with the meme coins is, you know, I buy them on Night is another platform, but their token actually was at 25 cents and then it broke down to 11. So I was afraid that it was going to go lower than 11, because if you see, when it was all the way up here at the 25, you know, it just, you know, took a 50% drop. I don't know what's left as far as what they plan on doing with it, but Night is a good platform, had a lot of total value locked, and I do still have one small farm there, and I do still claim, and everything still works, you know, very well. So I don't have to worry about that. And I use the farming for the passive income. That's what you guys can do, and you guys can always so let me go check here before we go. We're gonna check Piggy Inu chart, and we can see, okay, they had a dip, and then a lot of people are coming in now and buying the dip. And then let's see what else we have going on here. We want to shout out to Raptor, actually. Okay, Raptor. See how they're doing. They got a $5,000 market cap. They're just starting off, guys. This is a low market cap one. This is, you know, a couple big sales can really bring in some money. So that's just, you know, it's just another meme. Another meme on the block. You know, I did drop some stuff about it. It didn't really look too shady. It's just a meme. And as they go and they build utility, you can hop onto their website and you can hop into their group. And you can find out a bunch of info about them here, just like I found. And let's follow the team and follow the project, and let's see how it does, you know. And the Piggy Inu, let's follow this project and then follow the team, see how it does. And then next shout out is the War of Tribes, the NFT game. This has been around for a while now, and it took them a year, and they built everything, and everything is running, and the game is up and running, and you know, they're linked in with some partners. So this could be one that's sitting just waiting to pump, man. As soon as gamers get onto the field of some of these really big play to earn games that have great graphics, and you know, the game overall, the strategy of the game, and how much it can expand, it's definitely something. You know, if you do hop in there from this video, just hop in there and say, hey Jay, what's good, love the shout out. Same thing too, if you hear the shout out, make sure you you know, say, hey Jay, I saw the video, and love the shout out. Piggy Inu, yeah, very conversational, very you know, community driven, and that's, you know, very unlucky. You can't wait and try. Okay. Let's see what they're saying. Yeah, so what? People come and go, but, you know, sell. You know what I mean? So, that's crypto for you. And, what else? What else do we have across the board? Let's see if there's any big Bitcoin news. It's just the weekend, and we're just over here chilling. And let's see if we have any other. Yeah, don't mind me. You hear me? I sound a little scratchy in the voice. It's okay. I think I just have like a sinus and allergies together, stuff out my nose, and you know, all that. And then it's like, I don't know, make it like a sore throat. All right, so let's see the Bitcoin news. Limit Bitcoin crypto miners help Texas. Okay, getting miner woes risk. Okay. Bitcoin mining is going to continue to flourish in the U.S. Wow. Putin signs ban on crypto payments in Russia. Well, hey, you know, Bitcoin ready to attack the key trend line. What is that saying over there? So the 200-week moving average could see another test from the bulls next, according to signals from exchange and other order books. All right. Can the bulls claim the 200-week moving average? BTT ranging between 20,500 and 21 into the weekend. Thus, the pair preserved the majority of its coming back from its week's lows. Alright. Okay. Ordering book data from Binance, the largest global market, showed key resistance cluttered around the $22,000 mark. So there's a lot of limit sells and there's a lot of action around there. That's a good thing. Key bear market trend line lost its support a month ago. Okay. Miners feel the pinch. Yeah, the profitability of the miners have definitely felt a pinch because of that, which you know, sucks in the overall grand scheme of things. But you got to think about the balance, though. So at some point, a miner is going to be making more profits because of energy cost and then the price of Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin they're getting. You know, you got to keep all those into account. So there's times where there can be really good accumulation, and then there's times when you do, you know. So there's always a solution for that current problem that you're facing. You know, there's always a solution for that. You got to stop, slow down, and you got to figure out what can you do step by step to build this. You know, what can I do if I can build some passive income from some farming and staking, and then take that and DCA into Bitcoin and XRP and Binance, you know, and hold on to that and accumulate when it's on the dips, when we pull below those 50 EMAs I tell you about on the 1 hour and the 4 hours, you know, when we pull below these. You know, proven accumulation times, I accumulate when we pull well below them. I'm like, okay. And then, you know, it's got to come back above it at some point. And then there's no way to really call the top. If you're day trading, you can just see, oh my God, we're this much far away, you know, and then you can place your stop loss above that next moving average, because you know it's going to pull back to the 50 at some point. So, you know, those are just some strategies. Keep following me. Keep hitting the like. Hit the bell. Make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to love doing this with you guys. I'm going to do a lot more different things. We'll be holding open some voice chats in some of these groups that we're rocking in. Just mad love to everybody. And let's just have a great weekend. I'll be on this week. We'll do some New York Open. We'll do some live pop-up raids, and we'll have some fun. We'll rock out with Jay. So guys, thank you for being here. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop comments below, because this is the latest and greatest crypto news and